Mainly, maybe like you are not finding the right wordings. You need to practice little more. Maybe did you see in the interviews that we have it in our channel?
Yes, sir, I watch.
Okay, I asked I think similar kind of question. So you noticed what they told? No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just try to get those kind of wordings from them. Then you will understand. So this is like you just started now. The more you attend, the more things you will get it and you speak. You have to practice it little hard. That's it. Right?
Yeah, okay, thank you. Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions? What is the discussion over it? I don't think I can
Yes,
cover.
sir. For normally for 3 years experience,
Uh-huh.
they ask like what are the implementation in incident problem management like other also.
Yeah.
What will we have to do, sir?
See, that is the common question, ma. Okay. Apart from ITSM, okay, what else you did?
You know, in ITSM only, sir.
Sorry, in
I
ITSM
said like
also.
but in ITSM only. Yeah.
If they ask like in ITSM what you did, you can tell so many things, ma. You need to know first. Okay. Do you know ServiceNow already, or you are learning from my class
Yes,
only?
sir. Yeah, learning since 1 month, sir. 1 month, 2 months.
Then it is too early, ma. Maybe if you are already so for people maybe like who are working on this ServiceNow side, na, they already
Yes,
knew
sir.
some concepts. For them, I can tell many. See, ITSM, na, if someone asks me this question, okay, so what exactly I will tell is, so in the incidents, what I implemented, okay, I implemented so many things in incident form, okay, or I also implemented major incident application for us, and we implemented change management from scratch. So in change management, what I did, we created so many fields, we changed the logics, okay, we changed the workflows, we changed so many notifications, okay, and we also changed so many things with respect to the backend data configuration and interconnections. We did so many things from like creating a change from some other application, okay, so those things and all we did. So one by one I can tell, right? So for
Okay.
you, as you didn't know these things and all, first of all you should know what is incident, okay. First
Yes.
and best thing is if you are learning something, okay, I am again telling, I think this one I covered somewhere in my YouTube channel. Okay. So see ma, two things you need to learn. One thing is, okay, so see, let's take one example. Someone asked me client script, right? So I will take one simple examples. Start date and end date.
In change form.
Yeah, end date validation. In maybe I can say change form, right?
Yes.
So see this one, why I am telling this one is like you, this is your answer, ma. Many people will ask the same question again and again. So this could be the answer, how you need to prepare. See, first, okay, I this is, see here, schedule, okay, in schedule, in change schedule, there are two fields, start time, end time. Okay, so start time I am keeping 25, okay, end time I am keeping 18, which is the previous date. Okay, the system is taking these two values and comparing it, and then as the end time is lesser than start time, okay, it is giving an error. Okay, so in if this is our same, this is the kind of situation we face it. Okay, then we need to learn two things here. One thing is client script to implement this logic. This is this is the one which we are seeing. Okay, I am taking this is
Yes.
technical one. Client script to implement this logic. Okay, second thing is what are these two fields and why this logic is required. Okay, for change management application, what are those two fields meaning of the definition of these two fields and why we need to implement this logic. Okay, we only focus this part and we don't even see what is change, what is this page, why this page, what is this field and definition. Okay, so this is where the gap is coming up. Okay, you are only focusing what to do, but you are not focusing for what you need to do. You are getting ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so This is important. So what you implemented in change management? Okay, you know many concepts. You know now UA policy, you know dictionary override, you know. Okay,
Yes.
and you
Yes.
know you will be knowing client script, business rules, schedule jobs. Many things you will be learning, but you don't know how to apply to an existing application to make your answer. Okay,
Yes.
so that will come when you know the basics of this application. So at least okay, create some 20-30 incidents. Okay, just to go here. This is a great platform again and telling. Okay, come here, create 20 different incidents. Okay, and also see 10 existing incidents and understand them. When I say understand them, okay, I will tell you how I understand. Okay, go to incident. This is the easiest way to learn, ma. Okay, otherwise, na, what I need to tell is like go to the ITLB for book, learn what is incident, what is incident management definition, that and all. That we can't do now. Okay, so it's like a ABC learning ABCD in a slate. We can't do now. So I see. No, 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 not this one. This is not the one which I can take it because I created this. So take. Okay. So see, read, understand the existing 10 instance. So take one instance. Okay, this incident. Okay. So this incident, why they created for Luke Wilson. Okay, having problem with sales tools performance. So he is using one application. The application name is sales tools, and he is facing some issue with that performance of the tool. Right? To report that
Yes.
he raised a issue, which is called incident. Okay, and he made this one as medium 2. Why? Because it is only his issue. So now I am saying the definition of incident, how he reported it, and why he made impact this low. Maybe take one more, which is critical. Okay, so critical priority 1. Yeah, take this one. Okay, try to understand why it is critical by reading this. Does not look like a backup occurred last night. So there is a server, okay, which backup is not done last night. So what will happen if the backup is not completed last night?
Data loss.
Yeah, data not, maybe data not loss, but if backup is
Not
not
available.
done, then the server will be occupied with more space and it won't respond. So the system will become slow. And the new news, like let's say, okay, the system is having 40 terabytes. 40, 39 terabytes are completed and you didn't take the backup. So what are the things we are doing from today? They don't go and fetch in the server. So applications will not work. See, last automated backup occurred 2 nights ago. Okay, we did change automated backup schedule. So there is a schedule to do the backup, but it didn't work. Okay, it ran last 2 days ago. Last night it didn't run. So it is an issue. Okay, so he reported that issue. So now what you learned from this incident? Okay, it is a critical one. The activity is a critical one. Also, you will be learning something like a schedule, a server, a backup process. So you are tuning your mind to IT related things, right?
Yes.
Okay, if you don't see these kind of issues now, maybe first today I will tell you, okay, if you get a SIM issue, what you do? Call to Vodafone customer care. So if you don't see these kind of things, then you need to understand the incident management in other way, which won't be enough for you. Agree?
Yes.
Everyone agree to this point, ma? So
Yes.
So
learning this kind of applications is like created. So now tomorrow you come here and then say new. Okay. Then every field you need to write here. Now then you will understand why I am saying low here. Okay. If I am keeping high, what kind of incident I need to write? Okay. So let's say pen drive like let's say mouse is not working. Okay, so impact is 1. Okay, impact is like 1%. My mouse is not working. So for this Tumri issue, can you make a high priority?
No.
So no, you are saying no. Then means you know the meaning of these fields. Agree?
Yes.
So this is what we need to learn. What is the
Priority and determination.
priority, urgency, state values? Okay, on owned. What is the meaning of on hold? Okay, so these things and all you need to tune yourself. Then, if something comes like okay, they will come up and say, okay, I want a new choice here. Then you will understand. Okay, existing choices are there, and then you are asking to create a new choice. First of all, you say why. You have to say first thing is why. Why you need this. You should not always take and then implement it. Okay, you say why, then they will give the justification, then you implement it. That time you have full control. Okay, if you don't have that control, na, you give something, you do it here, you create a new choice. That's it. So you are only focusing this, but not this. Getting my everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So how you do is in ITSM. Okay, incident is one of that, and change. Okay. So incident, change, maybe problem also. Okay, create some, maybe first thing is learn about basics about incident change problem. Okay, maybe I can cover a simple video, just short video. Okay, so first learn about them and then create some 20-30 incidents, 20-30 problems. Okay, 20-30 changes. Then see how much you know. Okay, before practicing it, after practicing it, you analyze your mindset. Then you will get a complete picture what I am trying to say. This is the way you need to learn, ma. Okay. Once you know this partner, then the answer what you asked, na, what you implemented in ITSM, you will automatically frame. Okay, I didn't do so many things. Even this one I didn't do. But when you ask this question, I immediately told this particular scenario, right?
Yes.
So I know that concept. And the same concept, if I get it for some other application, I will come and refer this one, how they developed it. And then I will take the reference of it. I can copy the code also. Right, so you are learning the concept platform too much deeper day by day. That is what important. The more you learn, the more you get control. Until you don't get control, na, all these questions are like dilemmatic. You may feel like whether you are speaking right or wrong, even though you know whether it is right. That's where you are, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I know. I came from the same situation.
Yes.
Right. So learn things more deeper, man. That is the reason I am telling daily. Okay. Practice it.
Yes.
When you practice my class, na, then you don't stop there. Your mind will force you to do something else extra because you get that eagerness and confident.
Yes.
Okay. If you don't my class at least, na, let's say, see here, I'll ask you one question. How many are practiced UA policies? I
Yes,
want
sir, I have completed. Yes,
you
sir.
practiced it. Na? So when you
Yes.
practiced it, you practiced our class one. You didn't stop to that, right? You did at least one more extra, na?
Yeah, you have shared that SAS group, no, sir. I have completed that
You
videos.
completed five also, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is how your brain will tune. If you don't practice even one, na, you don't move. That is the problem. Until you don't move, you don't learn. That is why I always request everyone, right? Humble request, practice it.
Yes.
Right, ma?
Yes.
Yeah. So you will get it, ma. So you are in a initial stage. Okay, what whoever asked this question, sir, I am not able to speak, I am not getting these things. You are at a initial stage. First thing is learn the entire concept, our entire class. Okay, very
So,
stronger. That means strong with the basics. Okay, then try to attempt. If you are not strong with the basics, na, then you yourself will get confused like what you are speaking, right or wrong. If you are strong with the basics, Even though the situation come to you very strange situation, you speak something which it will connect to the relevant answer.
Yes.
Okay. Even though it fails also, you speak very confidently. Out of 10, if 2, 3 gone also, 7 you given the right answers. That is enough to get a job. Okay. In interviews, not every question you need to answer. That's for sure. Okay. So let's
Yes.
say you got 10 questions. Okay. You answered 7 questions correctly. Okay. Even I will tell you frankly, ma. Okay. Correct spelling.
IRECT.
Correctly. Okay. Even if you answer 7 correctly, you can't say you got the job. You can't say you don't get the job. Okay. Even the 7 also, how you executed, that is very important. How confidently you spoken. What is your attitude towards the answering? Right? So I was having 5 years experience. I was speaking. I know I seen things. Okay. That is the reason when I was answering this answer, na, you seen how much command I speaken, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that you need to adapt it. If I speak like, okay, I implemented ITSM, I don't know, sir. Okay, you mentioned like I mentioned in resume, like I mentioned I did HRSM. Then you asked me what you implemented in HRSM, sir. My team member did this. I don't know, sir. If I answer like this, then how you feel?
Yes.
You are getting it right, everyone?
Yes.
So this is very, very, very important. If you miss this part, you will get where is the gap is. If you are strong with this part, you will get the full control what you speak, how you are speaking. Even if you answer 5 also, you will confirmly say, I will get this job. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So practice it more. Strong with the basics. Okay, you that is only important because one more thing maybe see, we are not learning 100%. Okay, because 100% there is no scope for service now learning. Okay, maybe we are learning point maybe just 2.5% in of 45 days of class. Okay, this is hard true. Even if you believe or not, this is hard true. Even I'm trying my best to cover 2.5%. I don't know outside our outside institute how much they will cover. Okay, so for this also you are not many people don't prepare properly. Why? Because now I am telling why I am giving 2.5 only. Okay, I am rating myself low here because here we hardly see the definition. See how we cover daily class, ma? We are hardly getting time now to cover many topics. So first we try to understand definition and then one scenario. Then 1 hour completed, right? That's it now,
Yes.
maximum and maybe 1 or 2 interview questions,
Yes.
right? So is this enough? Let's say I have 3 years of experience. Okay, in 3 years of experience, maybe per year I will be working 200 days. Okay, minimum 200 into okay 3 600 days. Okay, and 600 days maybe daily 2 hours with service now. So 1200 hours minimum two. So in 1200 hours of my career of 3 years, I won't be doing only one UA action. Minimum I will be doing 50 UA action. Only if I take only one topic, 50 UA actions I will be at least implemented. Now, look, let's say UA policies. Okay, I may created around close to 200 new fields and maybe dictionary override and all. Okay, I may created maybe 200 choices. Okay, I may created around maybe I created, updated, manipulated, managed maybe 1,000 users. Okay, I may used maybe 1,000 times impersonation. Right? So
Yes.
if you see this one, then where it would be? 2.5 is where? You are getting ma,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right? So this is important ma. So the I can't say like 1 hour is sufficient, 2 hours are sufficient. Even if you practice 23 hours also per day, that also still don't sufficient, because until you get a job, you have to practice it. How much time, that is and all your convenient. The more you practice, the more you dedicate your soul to service, no, you will get the job very soon, right? All these hurdles like your communication, word findings, okay, the gap between your speaking and mind, everything will be tuned. The more spend your time in service now, the less you spend, the gap will be like slowly. The slowness or fastness will depends on your how you prepare. That's it. Make sense? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, ma. What we cover.